It's warm outside, it's August. In Michigan, that means it's peach season. When people think of peaches, this is what comes to their mind, but there's a lot more to peaches than this kind of fruit. First difference I want to talk about is just a difference between peaches and nectarines. This is a nectarine. A nectarine is nothing but a fuzzless peach. We don't grow a whole lot of nectarines in Michigan because there's no fuzz on them, and that makes them more susceptible to some of the diseases that we have here because of our more humid climate. The other thing that is interesting with peaches and nectarines is that they come in different flesh colors. And if I cut this open, you see here's a white flesh. Many of you are used to a yellow flesh. White flesh peaches or nectarines, in my opinion, have a lot more aromatic type compounds to them, a lot more floriferous in their flavor. You don't see a whole lot of these because they bruise more easily, and they show those bruises because of the white background and the dark bruise. So we don't have a whole lot of these in the marketplace, but if you go to farmers markets, there could be quite a few. Another example of the differences that occur in peaches are these saucer or these flat peaches. They're just a natural difference between the round peach and these saucer peaches. They are also called emperor peaches because Chinese emperors could eat them without getting juice on their beards. Peaches are native to China. One of the problems we have with picking these is that sometimes the skin comes off, but you see this is a yellow flesh type. If we cut it open, you can see the yellow flesh that it has in it, but they also come in the white flesh types. This one is a bit more ripe, so it's going to come off a lot easier, but it's white, and again, it has that much more aromatic compounds to it. That's a good peach. Another big difference in peaches is the freestone versus the clingstone. Now, the freestone is what we have here on this tree, and if I pick it and then I cut it like this, it will easily come free from the pit. Okay? The other thing is that they're slightly different color because these are mostly fresh eating peaches, and so the outside is much more showy, much more red. Clingstones don't need to be that way because you don't eat them fresh. You eat them in a canned product. If you've ever had canned peaches from the store, those are all clingstones. This is the clingstone peach, and when I cut this peach open the same way, I have to get rid of my knife for this because I have a little bit more energy I have to use. If I twist it, what you see is this is not a freestone. It has this flesh still clinging to the pit. And if I find my spoon, when you're canning these peaches, what really you want to do is take a spoon, a grapefruit spoon oftentimes because it has the serrations on it, and when you take that grapefruit spoon, you can go ahead and just scoop this pit right out, and there you have your peach half. You have to peel this peach because it won't scald like your other peaches do.